Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm inspired by the rainforest and jungle, and if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So let's try again. I did this makeup look a few days ago, but then when I went to edit it, most of the sound was gone. I think I found the problem and I think I fixed it, so let's hope that this time it works. I know that I could have just done a voiceover, but I am an old person in a young body and it's just easier for me to just refilm. So that's what we're gonna do. And so my hair doesn't match, or my top doesn't match the picture of the thumbnail, but that's fine, the makeup will still be the same. We're doing a rainforest jungle themed makeup, and for me that's luscious green, so I'm doing 3 different green colors to achieve this makeup look. So the first thing you're going to be needing is a big eye blender brush. This one is from Essence. And I'm using a makeup palette that doesn't have a name, so I'm just going to show you the color. I'm using this green right here. And you want to take the brush and apply it in your crease and above. And then you want to take Essence Eyeshadow Palette by Merve, and I am using this shadow right here. And with this, I want to use a flat brush like this one. And you want to put it all over your lid except for the middle part. Leave an opening in the middle. Then you want to switch to a round brush, and you want to use the same color and go on the inner half of your eye on the lower lash. You still want to be using a round brush, but then you want to go ahead and use this color right here. And you want to put that all the way in the outer corner as well as the inner corner, but don't put it too much to the middle because you still want to see this color. Then you want to take the first palette that we work with and the same green, and you want to dab your finger and apply it to the center where we didn't apply any. Then you want to take the eye blender brush from the beginning, and with no product on, you can add some if you feel like you need some. And you want to softly blend everything out, especially underneath your eyes, and just so that this color kind of blends into the lighter green. It's nothing too crazy, just so there isn't like an obviously harsh line. Now you want to go ahead and put on some eyeliner, and I'm using Dipliner Ink from H&M that looks like this. Then I will curl my lashes and put on some mascara. then I will be putting mascara on my upper and lower lashes, and I'm using Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like this. And then I'm taking an eyeliner pencil. This one doesn't have a name, but it looks like that. And I'm just lining my upper waterline. And then I'm just gonna set it with my setting spray from Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix. It looks like that. This is the finished look, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!